Hello, Michelle here from the Secret Owl Society. In this video, I wanted to answer a question from my students of Sacred Systems and Easy Peasy Email Marketing. Both of these programs use a Notion template, and the question is how to link those templates together. So firstly, the templates I'm talking about in Sacred Systems, if you go to Orientation and Template, the Notion template for Sacred Systems is right here. You access it through here, copy it over to your Notion account, and it'll pop up in the left-hand sidebar of your Notion account. For Easy Peasy Email Marketing, the template for this system is right here, and you just copy it over, same thing. So after you have those templates in your Notion account, you're going to open up the Sacred Systems template, and then you're going to go into the business hub of your Sacred Systems template. This is what mine looks like. And so what I did was I opened up the sidebar and just pretend the Easy Peasy email marketing template is in the sidebar. You hold it down and then drag it in to your business hub under the category where it belongs. For me, I put my newsletter hub from Easy Peasy email marketing in the marketing category. And that's what it's called when you open it up. It's called Newsletter Hub. And this is what mine looks like. It's very similar to what yours would look like. And this is what I use to send out my newsletter every week. And the way that I link it all together, well, first you saw that it's in the business hub. That's where it belongs in terms of, where to put it. But then to make it work more like a system so that it's intuitive, what I do is I go to the newsletter hub, I copy the URL, and then I go into the daily hub, which is where I spend 99% of my time. All of my day-to-day life and business stuff, I can process it on this one page, the daily hub page of Sacred Systems. And so for me, sending out my newsletter is a weekly activity. And whenever I do something that's weekly, that's a signal to put it in the recurring life and business rituals section. So all you want to do is click on the blue new button to open up a new page for this recurring rituals database. And you're going to title it Send Newsletter. And it's going to be for me, weekly recurring task. It's for the business area of my life. And I have another property here, but you may not need that. And then the due date, just choose the next time you're going to send the newsletter, and then paste the link. Oops, that's not the link. Grab that link. I thought I copied it, but I guess not. Grab the link to the newsletter hub, and then paste it into that page that you just created in your rituals area. And let's give it a little icon, mail. And that's it. And so every time I do my newsletter, you can see I have it right here. It pops up when it's time to do it. I open it up, click on the link, and that's literally it. I pop in here. I'm able to process my ideas for the newsletter, put it together, send it out, the link to Flowdesk, link to Canva, all the things. If you're in Easy Peasy email marketing, you know how this works. And then when I'm done, I just click on that and set it for the next time that I want to send out my newsletter. And that's it. So if you're not a student of these courses and you're interested in learning more, I will put the links to both below, Easy Peasy Email Marketing and Sacred Systems. These programs are great for people who want to systemize their life and business. And if you have any questions, just pop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.